Another video. This is all my airsoft gun. The first airsoft gun is Stinger P311. It's pretty cool. It shoots good, everything. The next one is Z311 Zombie Exterminator. It's pretty cool too. Kind of like the same thing, just different name. Another one I got is a Magnum 44 Magnum. It has these kind of shells. It has 6. It got no bullets in it. Then the next one is my shotgun. Got the strap. And the last one is my AK-47 airsoft gun. It's cool. And that is all my airsoft.